Hi and welcome to Emply. My name is Patrick and I am the support operational lead at Emply. Today we're going to have a look at how you can automate an employee going from being active to being an archived employee. Let's have a look. Now, what we're looking at here is the employee module, in which I got the status menu right here, indicating I have 41 active employees, 3 in pending and 8 in archived. Now, Emply logic states that when an employee no longer has an active payroll agreement, they will automatically be moved to pending because they might need to get a new one or a different employment status in whatever function they need to have. The system will not move them automatically to archive. That is a manual action, but you can actually make the system do this for you. Let me show you. If we go to automations, this is found under the main menu under settings. You can find it here. You can create a new workflow regarding this. The new workflow is essentially just a new automation. This one I will call move resigned employee to archived and press save. Now, initially I have to tell the automation what is this regarding, and I would like it to check for an employee. And I need to define the trigger, as in when will it do stuff. And I would like for this specific automation to do a daily checkup to see if anyone matches what I'm looking for. So I'm going to do a scheduled trigger. This is essentially a very good and very useful feature because you can actually make the system do daily checkups on a variety of things, being a candidate, an employee, a job, a form fill out, and whatever. It really depends on what you need it to do. But in this case, I would like it to check daily, and I will set it to check at 8 o'clock. And more importantly, when it does the checkup, what should it be looking for? So in this case, when I want someone who has recently been resigned or has resigned their position, I will look for resignation date. This is the one found here. And given that usually you would like it to make sure that the person has actually resigned their position, it would be a good feature, or at least a good notion, to have it being performed a few days after. So I will set it to being 5 days after. What this means is this has to be 5 days after the mentioned date in this element on the payroll widget. So this trigger is 5 days after that date. So I press save. Now I got the trigger. Now I just need to tell the system when it has triggered, when it has found subjects that match the criteria, what should it do? I simply wanted to move them. And I can move them in the employee status as we covered in the beginning. So instead of either pending or active, I want them to be archived. And I press save. This is the basic setup for this feature, which is going to save a lot of issues, a lot of work doing it manually. And I merely have to press activate in the end, and now it will keep on checking every single day at 8 o'clock. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking for more guides on how to use the platform, please visit our help center at help.emply.com. If you got any suggestions as to what you would like us to cover next, email us at marketing@emply.com. See you next time.